wiki.easybib.com. Search EasyVid Wiki before you decide. EasyBib presents the 8 best sprouting kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8, the Gardens Alive 2-tiered is a value-priced unit that's simple enough for first-timers to give sprouting a try. The holes are ideally sized for larger seeds like mung beans, because the tinier ones like alfalfa tend to get stuck or fall right through. The green color is fresh and inviting, and it comes in a space-saving form. However, note that it should be washed by hand. At number 7, the Gifu sprouting jar is a self-contained system that has ventilation built into the base. The sleek, attractive glass and stainless steel design have a contemporary look that'll be right at home in an upscale kitchen, so you can leave it out on the counter. It's ideal for small families, but the base doesn't fit other containers, and it comes in at a high price for just one jar. Coming in at number 6 on our list. If you want a continuous supply of nutritious shoots for a crowd, the handy pantry sprout garden is the answer. The levels in this stackable setup are opaque, so you can sow different crops at the same time, but they won't green up until you expose them to light. It offers an easy dishwasher-safe cleanup and a lifetime replacement warranty. However, it's not very attractive. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for sprouting kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, with the Victorio Deluxe Kitchen Crop, you can produce multiple kinds of sprouts in a tiny area. The stackable, space-saving design also serves as an eco-friendly way to keep the seeds irrigated, as it uses less water than other systems. It includes organic alfalfa seeds and is made from BPA and phthalate-free plastic, but the drain holes tend to clog. Halfway up our list at number 4. In just 10 days, the Window Garden Grow and Serve provides nutritious microgreens with which to dress up your salads and garnish all your favorite dishes. The heavy-duty acrylic tray is attractive enough to leave out in your kitchen, or can even be used as a centerpiece. It comes with 1 pack of zesty green seeds and sets up in less than 10 minutes. However, the soil can't be reused. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Whereas old jars are something of an eyesore, the chef and countertop is elegant, modern, and entirely stylish. But it does more than just look good, because it has a unique ventilation system that boosts airflow to prevent that old pain, mold. A pour spout inhibits splashing, and the screen can be adjusted. It's relatively uncomplicated to use. At number 2, the Sproutamo Easy Sprout is designed with a dual container convection system that uses the heat from the growing sprouts to keep humid air circulating through the unit. Some find the instructions a bit confusing, but you can find YouTube videos if you need help. It comes with a handy alfalfa insert and a vented lid for transport. It usually requires little rinsing. And taking the top spot on our list. Sometimes simplicity is your friend, as in the case of the Jar 1 Quart by Sprout Ease. Instead of a model trying to function equally well for all seeds, it comes with 3 different colored lids that each have different hole sizes to prevent clogs and falling out. It takes 3 to 5 days to produce and comes in at a budget-friendly price. It's no trouble to clean. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for sprouting kits, or simply click beneath this video.